Jack Doherty, a well-known YouTuber and streamer, experienced a dramatic incident when he crashed his brand-new McLaren, a car known for its luxury and high performance. This unfortunate event occurred while Doherty was engaged in a live stream, a common practice for him where he interacts with viewers in real time during various activities. However, this time, his focus was divided between driving and managing his live stream, which ultimately contributed to the accident. The crash was not only a shock to Doherty, but also to his audience, as it unfolded live for anyone tuning in.
Help! 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 Break the fucking window! Oh! Oh! Help! Oh, can you hold this? Oh, oh, no, my fucking car, bro.
Vamos, baby. Vamos,
Oh,
que estás bien.
fuck, dude. My fucking car. Holy shit, no. Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
Immediately following the accident, there was a sigh of relief as initial reports confirmed no serious injuries. However, the incident wasn't without physical consequence. His cameraman, who was in the passenger seat, sustained minor injuries, evident by the blood on his face, highlighting the real dangers of distracted driving. What perhaps shocked viewers and commentators alike was Doherty's reaction post-crash. Rather than immediately addressing the safety of those involved or the implications of the accident, he insisted on continuing the documentation of the event. He handed the camera back to his injured cameraman, encouraging him to capture the aftermath, focusing on both the wrecked McLaren and himself.
Holy oh, Michael. Are you okay? Yeah. Holy oh my God, bro. My whole... Bro, my whole car, bro. No way. Oh my gosh. There's no... Michael, here. Michael, do you have your film on that phone too? No. Oh my God.
Showcasing a mix of shock, disbelief, and perhaps an instinct to maintain content creation even in dire circumstances. This incident led to immediate repercussions for Doherty. The platform where he was streaming, Kick, took swift action by banning him from his account. This ban was likely due to the promotion of unsafe behavior, especially given the context of driving while distracted, which is universally recognized as extremely hazardous.